Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a Shop Now button to your Facebook page so customers can easily browse and buy your products. And let's get started. First, go to facebook.com and log in with the account that manages your Facebook page. So once you're already logged in, just like mine here on my end, click on your profile picture here onto the top right corner of the screen and click on See All Profiles. So right after you see all the profiles in there, just choose the page where you want to go ahead and add a Shop Now button. So since I don't have many shops in here or many pages, I can see it directly. I don't have to click on See All Profiles already. So let's switch to my Facebook page here. Now, right after, here onto your Facebook page, we'll have to go onto our homepage. Just go ahead and click on your name and profile picture in here to get redirected onto your profile. Now, once here, you'll just have to click onto this three dots below the edit button. Click onto that, and there should be an option to add an action button. So just simply click onto that and then just click on try it. So a list of options will appear in here on what you should add. So for this one, to go ahead and add a Shop Now button, we click on View Shopping here. Then scroll down. Then right after, we'll just have to click on Next. So there are two options. Where would you like this button to send people? So you could shop on Facebook or connect another tool. But for this one, we're going to click on Shop on Facebook since we're linking our Facebook page. Click on Next. Then right after, you'll get redirected in here and it will ask you to switch account to your main account where it holds the Facebook page. So we'll just have to continue for that. Now right after, it will go ahead and help set this one up. So just click on Next. So just choose I don't use the platform. Choose the country. So just choose a country that is available. Click on Next and then choose in your Facebook page. So click onto that, click on Next. Then you need a business portfolio for that one as well. Click on Next again. So select a catalog and then right after, set also the shipping and returns for that. So just simply click on Next once done. And lastly, you'll have a preview once everything is set. So you'll just have to review that one and just click onto this one to agree to the terms and then finish the setup. It will go ahead and save your info and also apply the changes. Just go back to your page, refresh it, and you should be able to see something like this onto the screen wherein it says shop onto the website or shop now. So just click onto that button and verify that it directs users to the right place. And that is just basically it, how you add a Shop Now button to your Facebook page. And if you think this tutorial is helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.